celebrating 10 years. With me are some of the most absolutely divine models and beauty queens from Manila who will be here showcasing the woven designs of the designer Rene Salud, as we call him the Philippine fashion advocate. We start off with Miss International Hannah Arnold.
Hi everyone, I'm Hannah Constantino Arnold. My roots come from Australia and Masbate in the Philippines. And as Direct Raymond said, I was Binibining Pilipinas International 2021 and top 15 only Asian candidate in Miss International 2022. And I'm proud to be one of the models for Mama Renee. And I love wearing all of the designs in Manila or around the world. And we're very lucky to be here in LA and can't wait to see you guys on Sunday.
Thank you so much. Such a beauty queen. Okay. On the other side of the spectrum is another beauty queen, but she's quite new. She is 2025 Miss Supranational. We give you the absolutely divine Katrina Liagado.
Hello everyone! Magandang gabi po. And of course, sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin all over the universe and here sa LA. Thank you so much for having us. This is my first time here in LA at mag-show po tayo with Mama Rene Salud. Again, we'll showcase the Philippines, the mga cultural heritage from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So, magkita-kita po tayo on November 23, of course, with Mama Rene Salud and Direk Raymond and all of the models here with Hannah Arnold, Ate Jasmine Meyerhofer, and Austin Dizon.
Very good, Katrina. And the other lady is voted only one of the top 5 runway models in the Philippines. She is actually the number 1 model in the Philippines, having span of almost 40 years in the business. Ay, hindi pala. Divide by 2. But she was crowned as the number 1 model by a survey of 5,000 people. I give you Jasmine Meyerhofer Patrimonio.
Yes, hello po. Ako po si Jasmine Meyerhofer Patrimonio and I'm 34 years old.
Oh, so proud.
What's your age, Dino?
I have no idea.
And I've been modeling for 20 years na. I'm so proud and super honored to walk for Mama Renee. And thank you so much for having us. Super nakakatuwa po ng puso na makasama ang mga kababayan here in LA. God bless you!
Thank you so much, Jasmine. And the last female model on my life, hindi pala, lalaki pala siya, is he's also from the United States. He has full American parentage. And the thing is that makes him so stand out. He is also the tallest male model now working in Manila. And he is also the grand prize winner of Mr. International 2025 Philippines. I give you Austin!
Hello, I'm Austin Kabatana, your Mr. International 2023. I'm grateful that I can walk for Mama Ren at this upcoming show, and thank you for having us, and we're blessed to have this opportunity. Thank you.
That's right. Once you have a director and models, you must have the ultimate icon. The reason why we're all here, we give you designer Rene Salud. Mama!
Bakit may drama pag
Yes! Because they want to know how you became the biggest, most iconic designer. One of only 5 Filipiniana designers in the Philippines.
Baka naman 3 lang.
No, actually, oo nga. Kasi yung isa nawala na. Like that. So there was a survey in Manila with 5,000 people that surveyed. And they have chosen Rene Salud as only one of 5 top Filipiniana designers of the Philippines.
Who are these 5,000? Are those my relatives?
No, some of them are from, what's this? San Juan, Batangas. Yes, they're your relatives.
Baka naman sila ay mga ghost project contractors.
Hindi naman, not really. Going back to ghost construction, you have to tell us what is woven by Rene Salud.
Okay. Actually, we are here promoting the Philippine Webs. It's well, this fashion show is more of promoting what we have in our country. These are the Philippine waves. If you talk of Philippine waves, this is one of the most important produced by the Philippines to the world. And this has been accepted not only the Filipino designers, but as well as the international fashion designers. That's why I'm very, very happy to bring my new collections made of the weaves from the country. And I assure you that this will be fun, entertaining, and informative. And you will feel the love for our country when you watch it. Believe me, this is how we this is how we show our love for our country, promoting our culture through fashion.
That's right. And of course, the woman also that brought us all together here. We'd like to welcome you celebrating 10 years of Manila. This is Madame Sonia Bermejo is with us. Madame Sonia, please tell us all about the fabulous magazine, Manila.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sonia. We are celebrating the 10th anniversary of Manila Up International Magazine, and we are proud to present the cultural designer,
Wow, thank you
di
so much.
ba? Rene Salud. Iconic designer yan. And of course, the beauties. O sige na nga, ano na lang. Legend.
Designer na
Maraming salamat kay Mama Rene, of course, kay Mr. Villanueva, and of course the beauty queens, including me.
And Belle Ongpin.
And of course, I would like to, can you come here please, Belle? Kasi siya,
Be one of our models.
and she's, thanks to her generosity, because she's hosting the whole interaction of Mama Rene. Come here.
Can I say something? I take this opportunity to thank, of course, Belle for introducing me to Sonia. And then, of course, thank you to Sonia for bringing me here. And I'd like also to take this opportunity again to thank the former Secretary of Tourism, Wanda Tulfo, who is our Philippine tapestry producer, and who gather all the sponsors for bringing us here, including the Philippine Airlines. They're very generous to fly us in. And of course, the Department of Tourism of the Philippines. It matters a lot to us because it makes the fashion show more credible, and whatever it is you may call. And of course, Pagcor. What else?
The New World Resorts.
Okay,
Former resorts.
Okay. New World, yes.
New World Resorts.
Resorts, yes. So, with the help of those people, of those companies and entities, and we are here. And we promise you for a good show. And like to hand the microphone to our host, who has the beautiful, beautiful house overlooking the sunset of LA at the Diamond Bar.
Thank you, everyone. Good evening. And I'd like to welcome our guest here from Manila that I'm hosting. And I'm so privileged to have all of them in my house. I'd like to thank Sonia, who's a friend of mine, that she also welcomed all of us and be a part of her big event this coming 23rd of November. I thank you very much for everything. Mama.
Well, what can I say? But thank you so much. By the way, if you are in the Philippines, I'm inviting you to go to her resort in Sila, Cavite. It's called Bella Rosa, and of course, she has got the beautiful places in Baguio City, where you could enjoy the atmosphere of Baguio. Magic commercial.
Thank you once again. I will welcome all of you.
Okay. Pahabol, we would like to give thanks to our sponsor, Pixie, and Mata Shoes, Capital Holdings, and Best Ever, Best Ever Forever by Teresa Villaverde Pascua. Yeah. And Bella Carrion for the flowers. Okay, I'll mention later, baka mamaya maboard na kayo. Salamat, and I'll see you all November 23rd, that's Sunday at 5 o'clock. We have the coffee table book launch, the red carpet, and the fashion show, and the awards. Good night, everyone. Salamat po.
Thank you.
Manila up! Woo! 10 years! 10 years! 10 years!